So this parallel park is, well, a lot tougher than the one we did, well, over 50 levels ago. Um, Now, before you back into the space, take a look of basically this is how much room you have. That's not you probably wouldn't catch me actually doing this in the real world, unless I absolutely had to and I'd have a spot her. But whatever. Okay, it's just it's a pretty tough one. Okay, so again, I like doing my parallel parks where I'm already pointing towards the space. Yes, I kind of like that. Let's go ahead and just start backing up. Ideally, I'm starting to just straighten up there for a second. There we go. It's kind of hard to maintain. I would kind of prefer to be pointing towards where this line, the left-hand line, is pointing towards the corner. But let's see if we can get away with it. Now, again, when you are backing up, once this point gets past here, you can do a lot more turning because the truck is just going to go to the left. All right, let's back up. And there we go. Now we maybe not want to do too much. Hard jackknife, and let's do a chase. And let's stop before we hit the guy. And let's pull. Oh, there we go. We just got to do a little maneuvering. And we're in, I think. Yes. Anyway, there you go.